Vanilla is a fruit. Out of 25,000 orchid species on Earth, only one makes something you can actually eat, and it's in your ice cream right now. The vanilla orchid flower blooms for exactly one single day. Not a season, not a week, 24 hours. Then it wilts, forever unpollinated. Farmers have to catch that exact window or lose the pod. In its native Mexico, one specific bee pollinates it naturally. Everywhere else on Earth, that bee doesn't exist. So workers hand-pollinate every flower with a thin wooden stick, one at a time, across entire plantations. This exact technique was invented in 1841 by a 12-year-old enslaved boy named Edmond Albius on the island of Reunion. His method is still used worldwide today, over 180 years later. And here's what makes it crazier. After pollination, the vine takes years to flower, then the pods cure for months before they're ready. That's why real vanilla is one of the most expensive spices on Earth, second only to saffron. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.